Hello everybody, this is Vietnamese Tasty Tour. In today's episode, we are here in Cambrils, a small and beautiful coastal town next to the summer resort Salou. Cambrils is the gastronomic capital of the Costa Dorada, with more than 150 restaurants. The one we're visiting today is La Regional, a modern Mediterranean cuisine go-to place in Cambrils. The Salmon Tataki we're going to taste today happens to be the winner of 2015 Cambrils Tapas Rouse contest. According to the chef and owner of La Regional, Juan Llaberia, this dish was inspired by Japanese cuisine and adding its own Mediterranean innovative touch. Sounds delicious already. Okay, let's enjoy the process of cooking, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty episodes. I was totally immersed myself in this dish, and I knew it would taste very good when I saw the caramelized onion and salmon in the ingredients. But there's more to it. The presence of teriyaki sauce and airbag pork contributes to its very unique savoriness. And the asparagus is also perfectly cooked while maintaining its crunchiness, in contrast to the creamy white chocolate Potato Parmentier. This dish provides full sensation for your mouth. Now I'm curious how the rest of the menu tastes like. Okay, that's all for today's episode. Oh wait, we haven't met the chef yet.
Hola, benvinguts al restaurant Original Experiències Gastronòmiques. Soc el xef propietari el Joan. Que sapigueu que tenim menús degustacions, cartes, estem a Cambrils. Ens agrada molt cuinar, tractar bé el producte, amb molt de cor. I no res, us esperem ben aviat aquí. Salut i bona cuina!